Hello children, here I am your Mansi Miss, your drawing and craft teacher. Okay, so today I will teach you some drawing. But what will be that? Yes children's? Okay, so before that, please tell me the question answers. Here, when you have seen a clown, a joker, wow, very good. So what does he wear on his head? Yes, that clown cap. Everybody know that clown cap how it is looking. So today I will show you how to draw that clown cap with a very easy step. With what? With the alphabet that we can make a clown cap. From alphabet how we can make? So now which alphabet how can make that? So that letter is before B. What is that? Yes, A. So from A we can draw a clown cap. So children's, here I will start. You just have a look. For that we need a pencil, then crayons, then one sketch pen, black color sketch pen. See. Now with a very simple you have to draw, you have to write a alphabet A on the corner. See. Then middle of the paper, see the center of your paper and start from there. One slanting line up to down, one slanting line. See how it is, you will get one angle. Then middle of this angle, see, from then middle of the angle you have to draw one sleeping line. Your A is ready. I hope everybody know how to draw A. So simple way you have to make a A, but that should be a big and a center of your page. Okay childrens? Then of both the corners of the A, see both the corners of the A, you have to make, see, then sleeping line. Your A how to draw, here I am showing you again. Then from this both the corners you have to make one curved lines. Okay, little up you have to make one curved lines. Then you can see both the corners that you have to join with another curved line. Okay childrens? Then you have to make a scallop line like this. Yes, everybody know this lines. Do these lines this way, surrounding of the curved lines. Then of the top you have to make one small circle. See what is it looking? It is looking a clown cap. Yes, after your pencil work finish you have to redo with your black color sketch pen. Redo with the black color sketch pen where you did with a pencil. See, do a very slowly and clean, proper. Don't do a mistake while doing a sketch pen. Where you did with a pencil, only there you have to do with a sketch pen. Okay childrens? Then see, our clown cap is ready. A very simple step. Yes, na childrens? Then you have to start the color with your favorite colors. Any colors you can give, whichever you want, like you can do with a multicolor also, any colors. So see, many colors are there. Which color I should choose? Okay, I will take a red, then one yellow, then one two more colors. With the two colors it will look only simple. At least you can take four colors. You can take more than four also. Is up to you. If you want multicolor, so you can use all the colors of the bottom, sorry, up circle. I will give here red. Okay, you can give any color as your choice. See children's, because that clown's cap, that it should be that ball, it should be with the red color only, so it will look more nice. Red color is attractive and dark, so that only red color I will repeat. And downside. Okay, see children, both the corners shape I have filled with the red color. You can do same also if you want, otherwise you can do your choice wise. If you want another color, you can do like a purple color, dark blue color, brown color, as you wish. Here I am showing you with only four colors how can you do. See here, and that upper part of the A, after the red I have giving here, I'm giving here yellow color. So then down parts, which color it will look nice? Okay, green color. So children's, when you doing coloring, do a color carefully. Your color should not go outside, out of the border. Okay, so first you have to fill the border side and then the inner side you can fill afterward. Okay, take care your colors, giving colors to color should not go outside. Do a very slowly. Okay childrens, see here, after yellow I have given there green color. Is it looking nice? I hope you're liking this. Okay, then which color is remaining childrens? Yes, blue. So that blue color I will give here and that cap. Do a color very smoothly. See, over. Then what is the remaining? Or that down sculpture lines. Square lines. Which color? I want to do with this all four colors only. But we can't give the blue color because blue color is upwards. So here I am taking a green color. So that green color also both the time. Here also, here also. Then yellow color I have taken both the side. Then of the center to what, which color? Red. Okay childrens. See, over. It is so simple and nice. I hope you can do, because everybody know how to make, how to draw A, and from the A what we can make a very nice and easy clown cap. So I hope you understand this. Thank you, children.